Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger veg tikki. First, gather your fresh vegetables like boiled potatoes, green peas, and finely diced carrots. These form the delicious base of your tikki. Next, prepare your aromatic spices, including cumin powder, coriander powder, and a touch of garam masala to infuse rich flavor. Finally, ensure you have a binding agent such as breadcrumbs or cornstarch to help your patties hold their shape perfectly during cooking. Now let's get hands-on with the mixture. Mash your boiled vegetables until smooth, then combine them with all your selected spices, ensuring an even distribution of flavor. Incorporate your binding agent, mixing it well to achieve a firm consistency. This step is crucial for preventing the patties from breaking apart. Finally, shape the mixture into uniform, round patties, aiming for a thickness of about 1/2 inch and a diameter of approximately 3.5 inches. It's time to cook these delicious tikkis. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place your formed patties into the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness. After cooking, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Finally, let's assemble your mouth-watering veg tikki burger. Lightly toast your burger buns to give them a warm, slightly crisp texture. Place your perfectly cooked tikki on the bottom bun, then layer it with fresh, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced onions. For an extra burst of flavor, add your favorite sauces, perhaps a tangy mint chutney or a creamy, spicy mayonnaise. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.